I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Yo, what's going on? It's Cornell, Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I know I'm talking about making money online, generational wealth, business credit, and things of that nature, all right? Look, 2021 right here and crept up on us. It's been a hell of a year. You feel me? But with that being said, man, there's still ways to get out here and get to it. So peace, love, greetings to everybody. Look, for 2021, check this out, man. Fintechs, is the move. Cryptocurrency is a move. So tap in with that. Just get the insight to that. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't never ever tell you what to do. And you know what I'm saying? And I'm not an attorney, nothing like that. I'm not a mentor. I'm just a brother out here sharing my insights and perspective and planting some seeds with you. So if something resonates in your spirit, all right, you know what I'm saying? Take that seed, you water it, nourish it. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever you got to do to make that thing blossom into being fruitful. All right. So that's all I'm here for. With that being said, let's go and get into this, man. You're going to need something to leverage. You know what I'm saying? Either you making some money, you got good personal credit, or you have an authorized officer of the business who has good personal credit. Or you got something to leverage. All right, what do you have to leverage? You have inventory. You got 2-3 years tax returns. You got, you're on a car dealership. You got some cars. You got something, you know what I'm saying, to actually leverage. Now, with that being said, a lot of y'all are just starting off and say, man, I ain't got no money, bro. My credit ain't that good. It's been tough. It's been a hell of a year. You know what I'm saying? It's like, we on the brinks of being like, one of them countries that we see on the television. Don't believe it can happen over here. I get it. There is another level. Anytime there's a problem, there's a solution, family. So there is another level of information that I got to dive off into a little bit deeper. But as far as dealing with us over here and how we operating, as far as, in the public and everything, this is how they're getting down when it comes to getting this money. You know what I'm saying? It's like they give you money when you don't need it. So how do you produce income or get it? How do you do this? I made a video talking about no PG business credit. All right. You can get no PG business credit now. All right. But guess what? They might be pulling up your PayPals, your Stripes, your Squares, your bank account. They're going to be pulling stuff like that to say, well, if your credit ain't good, but you making money, shit, we'll give you some money. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, they'll do that. All right. So, but where do you go? Okay, cool. I got you. I want to talk about Fintechs a little bit more. So I gave you one yesterday, Divvy. Okay. Oxygen is another great one that you can go to actually get your business set up if you want to go through them. They got personal side and business side, I believe. And, they walk you through how to get set up for business funding and all that. So, you can go through them, you know what I'm saying, if you want to too, as well. There's another great place. You got places like Brex, but them, I think that you need like $100,000 cash flow. So if you're not having cash flow, like on that level, then maybe you have a digital business. All right. Maybe you've been running your money through PayPal. Maybe you've been running your money through Stripe. Maybe you've been running your money through Square. Maybe you've been running through your money through a traditional bank account, and you have $10,000, $15,000 flowing through there. All right. So it's going to be places like PayPal that may get you funding. It's going to be places like Stripe that may get you funding. All right. It's going to be places like, when you got the Squares and stuff like that may get you funding. And it's going to be places like Oxygen that may get you funding. OK. And, some of these places are no PG. All right. But some of them are going to pull your personal credit. And some of them are, going to actually be authorized user. Now, what I always do is I always like to fact check. I always like to look at the application. If I can't see it like written on there that this is a personal guarantee or this is authorized, whatever it is, I'm calling to ask in the department, because you need to know what you're getting yourself into. Anytime you sign your name and whatever. And if it ain't on there, there may be some presumptions or something. I don't know, but not to get too caught up in that. All right. The main thing is, look, when it comes to these Fintechs or these financial technologies, holler at these payment processors. All right. Run your money through Square, Stripe, PayPal, all that. Well, look, I can't tell you what to do. Look, my bad. Look, the payment processor, payment merchants are easier typically nowadays to kind of get a little money from, you know, especially when you start dealing with the PPPs and all that, because they already been in that digital space. Okay. So y'all don't, you know, I know some people feel some type of way about PayPal and Cabbage and Stripe, but you know what I'm saying? Just when you're trying to get going and get flowing and you got a little something going, you know, check them out. You know, when you start doing a little bit more, check out Divvy, check out Oxygen, check out Brex, check out these places just so you can get in the dough. You feel what I'm saying? I done showed y'all step by step how to go get a Sam's Club MasterCard, and people then got, you know, anywhere from a couple thousand to 10, 12,000, 15,000, you know, and more. You see what I'm saying? I done showed y'all how to go get a, you know, a $40,000 revolving gas card. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what limit y'all gonna get, but you know, that's out there for y'all. If y'all went through the step-by-step process of setting everything up and going through that. Now everything is changing. It's time to pivot and get with the times. All right. It's 2021. All right. So pay attention to the Fintechs, the financial technologies, pay attention to cryptocurrency, because there's a lot of places that are providing credit on that perspective. Now, I haven't tapped into it on the business side, but I have seen some places for the business where you can kind of keep your crypto and stuff like that. So, but that stuff will be coming more and more out. But you know, imagine right now, you know, it's people out here in the world who don't have any fiat money. All they're operating off of is cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies is international. All right. It's accepted in most of the places. You know what I'm saying? It's accepted in most places, online and everywhere. So when you're moving into that space where there are people who are not operating and dealing with, you know what I'm saying, the USD in that matter, it changes the game. So that's why I know this video is about fintechs and business credit, but it just came over me to just mention DeFi and which is decentralized finance, which is talking about crypto. I will not be surprised, all right, when they move into the realm of actually providing business funding and things like that with crypto. All right. If they have it, I haven't exactly seen that model yet, but I have seen where they'll lend you some crypto. They'll lend you some money based on your crypto. So maybe somewhere in there, I got to go check out Celsius and what is it? Is it Binance? I gotta go check. I think it is. I gotta go check out them when it comes to actually, you know, their lending process. When it comes to the business, but very, 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 very dope stuff coming for 2021. But if you behind the ball, you got to get on it, family. So there are plenty of ways out here to make some money. You know what I'm saying? You come on here, create some content, and be consistent and hit it out the park, provide major value. And by the way, y'all need to get on Clubhouse like right now. All right. If you know somebody who got an iPhone or iPad, if you got an iPhone or iPad, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go, you know, go get with them. I ain't got no invites right now, but you know, I matter of fact, next time I get on, I'm going to show y'all my, I'll show you my name and all that, you know, and try to create a room or something that we can get in and just talk, you know what I'm saying, on that platform. So I think that's a very, very wonderful platform right now for people who getting in and taking advantage of it, because they have the potential to network with so many people, get so many gems, and ultimately build your brand, help your sales and stuff like that. So right now, at the end of the day, look, hey man, get your money. All right, get up off your ass and, you know, make it happen out here. All right. Yes, you can get no PG business credit, but you're going to need something to leverage. Remember that. All right. You know what I'm saying? So if some other people know some other ways, that's cool. Go chop it up with them. I am not the all be all. I'm still learning. That's why I always say, man, I'm just a brother out here planting seeds from my insight, because I know some brothers out here getting to a bag, because the truth is, we are already royalty. If you want to tap in to getting the business credit course, look, it's half off until January 1st. All right. So it's $49.97. If you want to get a consultation, you know what I'm saying? That link is below for that too as well. All right. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
And so typically when I twist my hair, I like to watch YouTube videos. And I like to watch like YouTube, like kind of the babies on YouTube. I have 1,000 subscribers, couple thousand. So I found this young man had about, you know, almost 2,000 subs. And I was like, okay, he putting out some business credit info. I love learning about business credit, even though I got, you know, about 100,000 in access to capital. So he talked about getting a Sam's Club card with no PG, which means no personal guarantee. So I'm listening and I'm like, okay, I watched like 3 of his videos. And I did include my DMB number, my Dun & Bradstreet number, because I have a 80 Paydex score. got approved for $12,500. No personal guarantee. So I'm gonna tag him here. His name's Too Smart to Be Broke. Thank you, and I'll do a YouTube video about it too. But yeah, he dropped some knowledge in it, and it worked.